Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to claim invite reward in Worldcoin app. First, open the Worldcoin app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account before starting. On the home screen you will see different options and features. What we need is located inside the settings. To find it, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon or settings button. This will take you to your account settings page. Inside the settings, you will see several options like account details, security, notifications, and other tools. Scroll down until you find the section called Redeem Invite. Tap on Redeem Invite to continue. Now you will see a field where you can type or paste your invite code. If you already have an invite code, carefully enter it here. Double check that the code is correct and that you have typed all the letters and numbers exactly as they were given to you. After entering the code, tap on the Confirm button. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.